Hello, investors. Welcome to Shark Investments, where I save you time and help you make better informed investment decisions. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or you're an experienced investor. You'll find valuable information here at Shark Investments. Every week, I analyze a set of companies from various industry sectors, and I identify those companies that consistently deliver increasing cash flow, earnings, or dividends per share. Now, I learned this process while I was a student at Suffolk University's MBA program. Dr. H. Thomas O'Hara taught me how to sift through the thousands of publicly traded companies and identify a much smaller subset of quality offerings that I could concentrate my further research on. Before I started doing this, I was making all the classic new investor mistakes and losing money big time. But ever since I've implemented this, my portfolio has been very successful, and now I want to share it with all of you. To give you a quick idea of how I do this analysis, let's take a look real quick at the 3M company, ticker MMM or 3Ms. You'll see that they have a dividend yield of 2.9%. I fill that cell with gold because it's greater than the Dow Jones Industrial average yield of 2.6%. You'll also see the annual cash flow per share, earnings per share, and dividends per share, plus the differences. And then over at the right hand side, I tell you if it's qualified or not, in what category. So here you can see that 3M was qualified as a Div 0, meaning it had 17 years of increasing dividends per share. Now, sometimes the numbers don't work too well for people, so I also will throw up two graphics, one that shows the long-term cash flow, earnings, and dividend per share trend, and the other one that shows the year-over-year changes. In addition to the companies that meet these very strict requirements, we're also going to talk about any companies that might come off of the list. Remember, I've been doing this for a little over 6 years now, so companies may fall off the list. And we'll talk about companies that didn't make the list, but they're either well-known, big names, or maybe they're right on the edge. It'll be fun to explore those differences. So whether you're just starting out on your investment journey or you're a qualified investor or anywhere in between, I invite you to join me each week as I swim with the sharks and look for quality investments. Now, I know that you may not be ready to hit that subscribe button just yet, so why don't you go ahead, check out a couple of the videos that I have posted, and if you like them, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap that bell so that you'll receive a notification every time I post a new video.